This is the AlterG. It's an anti-gravity treadmill. It's got a large bag that wraps around it that fills with air, with an airtight seal. And we can put people in here anywhere from 20 to 100% of their body weight, which has a lot of value in a few different circumstances. So obviously if somebody's very weak, especially if something after like a stroke or a big orthopedic surgery, we can start with a lower percentage of their weight and gradually start to build them back up and add more weight or add more body weight to the treadmill as they get stronger to progress them. So one of the other really interesting things that you can do to improve somebody's gait quality is to leverage speed. So one of the advantages of the AlterG is that if you are ambulating in it at a lower percentage of your body weight and it's easier to walk, then you can walk at a faster speed. Two of the most important metrics for fall risk are being able to walk with a faster speed as well as with a longer stride length. And both of those things can be accomplished through making the gait cycle easier with this technology. So one of the other interesting things with it is when you are weaker in one leg than the other, then you can actually make the stride a bit more symmetrical as well. So I want to demonstrate how we can leverage speed just to overall clean up the gait cycle and improve it at large. So I'm just letting her warm up, get used to the tread, but you can see with a slow speed, the steps are very short and choppy, not ideal for what we want, especially for fall prevention. So there's not an exact speed to shoot for. We have her in here at 50% of her body weight. She uses a walker otherwise, so that's a good place to start for somebody with a walker or a cane. When it comes to the speed itself, everybody's a little bit different, but her sweet spot is around 1.5 miles per hour. The other session we did 1.2 miles an hour, but since she's gotten a little bit stronger since then, we're pushing the speed a little bit to 1.6, and you can see how much her stride length really opens up with the faster speed. It's impossible to fall in the AlterG as well, which is really nice. So anybody that does normally have to use an assistive device, crutches, this is a very safe machine to use as well.